Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the new chapter, retirement or death of a partner. Two important terms are being used here, retirement and death. Retirement means someone is retiring from the firm. Retiring means leaving the firm. A partner may leave the firm after giving due notice in advance that I want to leave the firm. So retirement means a partner is willing to leave the partnership firm. And death, all we know what is meaning of death. ठीक है, right? On these two, that is retirement or death of a partner, what accounting treatments are to be done, what we need to find out as a whole is given under in front of these key points. First is we need to find the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Second, distinction between sacrificing and gaining ratio. We should know what is the difference in between the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Accounting treatment of goodwill is to be done here, and that accounting treatment of revaluation of assets and liabilities, reserves and accumulated profits is also to be done here. But adjustment of capitals according to the new profit sharing ratio, this adjustment of capital is deleted from the syllabus this year. Okay, so this topic will not be explained to you. We will leave this topic. Adjustment of capital, disposal of the amount due to the retiring partner, I will explain you. Hidden goodwill will also be explained, and the calculation of amount payable to the representative of a deceased partner is also to be calculated. So out of these all the points which are given as a learning objective in DK Goel, one point, that is adjustment of capital, is deleted from the syllabus, so I will not explain you this topic, and all other topics will be explained to you. On the retirement of a partner, that is when the partner decides to retire from the firm, okay, when he decides to leave the firm, then what is needed to be calculated is his share in the goodwill, share in reserves, share in the revaluation of assets and liabilities, that is if there is profit or loss, it will be credited or debited to the retiring partner also. Okay, so first of all, the very first key point, that is calculation of gaining ratio and the new ratio, is to be explained to you, right? When any partner retires from the firm, then he leaves his share within the firm, and that share of the retiring partner is gained by the remaining partners. Okay, by the remaining partners. So the remaining partner gain the share of the retiring partner. Okay, right? And hence we need to calculate the gaining ratio of the remaining partners. That is the partner who decide to continue the firm will gain the share of the retiring partner. So here what we need to calculate is gaining ratio, and on the basis of gaining ratio we need to calculate one more new term, you can see new profit sharing ratio. Okay, this will further be explained to you with the help of questions, numericals from GK Goel. Okay, right? Just see the very first numerical of DK Goel. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 6:5:4. Okay, see, I have solved this question for you. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 6:5:4. This is the old ratio 6:5:4. Just add these three digits 6:5:4, you will get denominator 15. Okay, 6 upon 15, 5 upon 15 and 4 upon 15. This is the old ratio. In between 6 A, B and C. Calculate the new ratio if A retires. Okay, first case. C, new ratio is to be calculated. Question mark is there in front of new ratio. Case first is when A retires, then what will be the new ratio? If A retires, then what we need to do is simply strike out the share of the retiring partner, that is A. Okay. I have highlighted the partner A who is retiring from the firm. Okay. By the help of an oval. Okay. And written this partner A is retiring in bracket also. Okay. Strike out his share 6 upon 15 from here. You will get a new ratio in between B and C, that is 5:4. This was to be calculated here. So in this type of questions, when the old ratio is given, this only one information is given to you, that is old ratio, and second information given to you is the name of the partner who retires. Then what you need to do is strike out the share of the retiring partner. Okay, and the profit sharing ratio in between the remaining partners will be known as the new ratio. Similarly, in case B, when B retires, strike out the B's share. Okay, right? When we will strike out B's share, we will get the new ratio in between A and C, that is 6:4. And similarly, just case third is there. When C retires, then the new ratio will be 6:5 in between A and B. Okay. So this is the solution of question number first. On the basis of this question first, you can solve further questions based on the same concept. Question number 1B, 2, 3. 3 you can't solve. Okay. Right. So on the basis of the concept given in question number 3, right, I am solving one more numerical for you. Question number 4. See question number 4. Question number 4 of DK Goel. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4:3:2. This is the old ratio I have mentioned here in the solution. 4:3:2 is the old ratio in between A, B and C. Okay. Now, what more is happening? B retires from the firm. I have highlighted here the partner B who is retiring from the firm, right? And more what is given in question number 4. B retires and his share was taken up by A and C in the ratio 3:2. His share, what is the share of B? The share is 3/9. This share is taken up or gained by remaining partner A and C in which ratio? 3:2. So what we need to find here is the gaining share of A and C. A's gaining share will be 3/9 multiplied by 3/5. Okay, the gain of A and C is given in the question, mentioned in the question, that A and C is gaining in the ratio 3:2. B's share, the partner who is retiring from the firm. Similarly, C's gaining will be 3/9 multiplied by 2/5, 6/45. New ratio will be, now what is the formula for calculating new ratio that I have mentioned here? New ratio formula is new ratio is equal to old ratio plus gaining ratio. Okay, Now the new ratio will be in between the remaining partner A and C. So A's and C's new ratio we need to find. A's new ratio will be A's old plus A's gain. A's old is 4 upon 9 and A's gain is 9 upon 45. We'll get the answer 29 upon 45. Similarly, we need to find out the C's gain. C's gain will be C's old share plus C's gain 6 upon 45. 2 upon 9 plus 6 upon 45. We will get the answer 16 upon 45. Write this to A's and C's share jointly. 29 upon 45, 16 upon 45. We will get the new ratio. 29 upon 16. Okay, this will be the new ratio. So this is the solution of question number 4. Now you can solve further questions on the basis of the same concept. Okay, right? You can solve question number 4, 5, 6 also. Okay, that's all for today online class session. Okay, try to solve the questions.